Hello, I'm now going to be doing my technical walkthrough for my gameplay feature here. So just a couple things I just added. I added um, rain effects that we did here. It's pretty simple. Just use the Niagara system. Um, took the um, fountain style of the particles and basically put on a um, collision node on there, killed the particles once it has collided with an object, and then I just use the shape location for the top. I use just like a box plane, and then I just changed the velocity to be in a cone in a linear way so that they were just um, not like different shapes. They weren't like it almost looked like snowflakes before. So this way it looks more like raindrops coming down at high speed. So that's pretty easy, and then I just went ahead and added rain sound effects to that. The next thing that I did was my light orb. Well, actually, let me go to my BP bot. So what I did is I had a hard time figuring this out, and then I realized how simple it was. So I took a spotlight and I just went here and I just took the intensity all the way down, attached it in front of the guy, and then when I picked up the light orb, I would go to my I had a sphere collision box that was on there, and the cache the BP bot target was the spotlight on the head, and then I would set the intensity to 1,000, and then destroy the actor of the orb that gave me that function. So that was pretty easy. And then let's see, the next thing that I got here was my health orb. So the way that I got the orb to be able to heal me was when I did the component begin overlap of the collision box, catch the DP bot, then I was able to apply damage, and for the base damage, I just made it a negative value. And so instead of giving me 100 damage, it gave me negative 100, which gave me 100 health. And then I would just simply destroy the actor once I picked that up. And then the portal, the portal was this was a bit tricky to do, but it was a lot of fun. I actually want to work on this more because I think I can do some cool things with it. It wasn't exactly, it didn't look perfect, but functionally worked 100% perfect. As you can see, I went from Portal 1 to Portal 2. Basically, what I did is I just used a plane shape here. And so as you can see, the planes are one-sided, so on the other side you just see right through it. And then what I did is I put the coordinates. Hold on, let me see where it's at. Nope, not that one. Oh yeah, it was in the main world blueprint. So what I did is I took, I had the reference for each portal, and then the default scene route, which for the portal is going to be right here at the entrance. And so I took the default scene route, and then I got the world location for each of those, and then I just would subtract that from the set world and location rotation, and add those two together. Get the player controller, the player camera manager, and then I would add that to after subtracting the world location of the other two. And that's how I would get from point A to point B. And I basically just copy and paste for Portal 1 to Portal 2. Um, and then this is how I connected the two. So you can see the two using the set world location and rotation. So that's why when you look through it, the screen's kind of moving. It wasn't perfect. I think I got to do something um, here with my rendering. Um, so yeah, I'm not sure why it was doing that, but anyways, functionally it was working good. So anyways, yeah, that is basically the gist of my technical walkthrough. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.